Mr. Jumo, what are some things you like about Ghana?
Yeah, I like, the meeting of people,
Okay.
the respect they have to people, and the peace. And
The
I think,
peace.
yeah, it's a very peaceful country.
Okay, the meeting of people, the respect they give you,
Yes,
and the peace.
And the peace.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and grow with me. So today is another adventure. Before we get into this video, I would also want to say a big thank you to every single subscriber. Thank you for taking your time to watch my videos. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your comments. God bless you. Please share my videos, please like, and let's continue to grow together.
Hey guys, so I'm at Millie's backyard and I'm with Mr. Jumo, who is from Senegal. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you, sister.
Yes. So I want to ask him about his Ghanaian experience.
Yes.
He has a business here behind Millie's backyard, and I'll show you about what he has to offer. So, Mr. Jumo, when did you come to Ghana?
I'm in Ghana since 2005.
2005.
Yeah, but I'm in and out,
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in and out.
Okay.
In Senegal.
In Ghana.
Yeah.
So, which place do you describe as home? Senegal or
Everywhere
Ghana?
is home, because we are Africanists. We are, we are Pan-Africanists.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good for Africa Unite.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think it's the same.
Nice.
Different a little, but it's the same, because Senegal is a French country and Ghana is a English country.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, so you speak French?
I speak French, I speak Italian too.
Oh, wow. Okay. So how's your Ghanaian experience been?
Yeah, not bad, very good, not bad, I have my family here.
Okay.
Adopt me
Like their own?
Yeah, their own.
Okay.
So I'm at home, I can say.
So your business is mainly in Ghana?
Mainly in Ghana, yeah, but I'm based also in Senegal. I'm taking a bus here to Senegal, taking a bus to Ghana.
Okay, that's one. So let me show my subscribers the things you make.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you make these yourself?
No, this one of my brother made it. I'm from Senegal,
Okay.
Mali. It's also my second show.
Okay. Is there a meaning to this?
This?
This.
This is a mask. This from Ghana here.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
from Ghana.
From Ghana, yeah, it's from Ghana.
What does it mean?
This like just. What is for the rainy season? It is mask of rainy season.
Okay, for the rain.
For the rain.
Okay. Okay, that's nice.
That's nice.
And how much are your shirts? How did they range?
66.
60 to 60. Ask you, Mr. Jumo, What are some things you like about Ghana?
Yeah, I like, you know, the meeting of people,
Okay.
the respect they have to people, you know, and peace. But
The
I think,
peace.
yeah, it's a very peaceful country.
Okay, the meeting of people, the respect they give you,
Yes, yes.
and the peace.
And the peace, yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Are your children in Ghana as well?
No, in Senegal.
In Senegal.
Children in Ghana.
Pardon?
I used to have a children in Ghana.
Okay. Oh, where are they now?
No, I wish.
You wish? Oh. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.